Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to use your online apps with your Office 365. So your app, it says Office 365 and email. If you click on it, it's going to open up, and it'll ask you if you want to stay signed in. You can hit don't show this again, and yes. It's going to open up so you can see some of the things that you've maybe recently worked on. You can go to your Outlook and check your email. You can go to your OneDrive, which is where most of your files get stored. You can open up your Word, your Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and Teams. And don't forget, we have a Teams page. I've put a lot of files for you guys, like a HUD folder and some other things on the Teams site. And then there's Yammer, which is kind of like our social media for the company. You can kind of keep up with things on that. If I wanted to just give you an example, open up Excel from here, I would just, click on it and do like a new blank workbook. I can do a calendar from here, maybe a monthly budget. So it's got some, things here you can do, but maybe I just wanted to do a blank Excel. I can just open it up, and then I can work in my Excel program from here. I can go over here to File and New, and I can actually pick from some different workbooks. So I can do like a project timeline, or I can just make a list, or maybe do a weekly timesheet, like how much I'm going to prospect, or how much I'm going to spend on previewing homes. So there's a lot of different things you can do. You can even go online and download different things. And then we also give you a lot of different templates inside of other programs as well that you can download. And then you just can hit Save As, and you can save them on your OneDrive so that you don't take up any space on your own computer. So this is how you get to your Office 365. You actually do have to be on your desk and use the online version. So I kind of wanted to explain it to you because I've had a few agents ask me. I hope it helps. Thanks.